Another day, another room tour. Here we are at Iberostar Grand Bavaro. I would have pronounced it Bavaro, but that would be wrong, we just found out. We're in room 7118, and we're ready for a room tour. Rebecca!
Hello!
Hello!
Cheers!
Cheers! All right, very exciting. What do you got for us?
Well, you first come in. Okay, first of all, we got here really early and our room wasn't quite ready, so we went into the pool and now we've come back and we're just looking at the room now. So, in here we've kind of stuffed our suitcases and we brought our own floaty because at the Iberostars, they don't have the big floaties that some of the other resorts like Sandals do. A lot of people bring inflated floats. We actually bought a big foam floaty.
It's amazing.
Yeah. But like other resorts, there are house robes, there are some extra pillows, there's your ironing board and your iron, and we will unpack later today. We just thought we would enjoy the pool for a while first.
Yes.
Okay, next thing, we've both gotten our drink already. There's an ice bucket. We still have to find where the ice is. In here there is a combination of different drinks like Coke and juices and some Budweiser and some Presidente and small bottles of different alcohol and also some small bottles of wine. Now we've asked there's sort of a concierge butler thing here, and so we've asked them for things that we really want. So of course the very important do not disturb or the make up your room sign that goes in your door. And there's coffee and tea and all that kind of stuff. So come on into the room. Okay. This bed looks huge. It's a king size bed, which is, just your normal average king size bed. But to me, this just looks huge.
It looks like you could play table tennis off it. It's so perfectly square and perfect.
I know. Now there seems to be like lights on either side and drawers on either side. I haven't explored whether or not there's actual plugs on either side. There's a plug back here. But when we were introduced to the room, they did ask us what sort of aroma we wanted in the room, whether we wanted romantic or relaxing. So I think you have different choices of scents in your room. And there's also different pillow menus.
If you're feeling a little crazy and want to bounce off the walls, no problem.
Yes. I think there's a big book here of all your welcome items, and I believe the room service. The room service is 24 hours, which is great. And of course, as you've seen me before,
Shazing
in the chaise.
You can chaise like the best of them.
And we came to some wonderful towel art, which I'm hoping we get to see different towel art every day. It's quite a large screen TV. Again, we haven't explored it, so we don't know exactly what is entailed here. Some large screen TVs in some of these resorts, you can do your bookings online and so on, but we don't know that yet, so we'll see. So should we see the bathroom before the balcony? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, come in here. There's a shower with a large rain shower.
Got a rain shower head.
Oh, and there seems to be shampoo and body wash.
Amazing.
So if you don't want to bring your own, you can bring that. You can have that there. And your washroom with, your phone for whatever.
Emergencies.
Emergencies.
If you fall in and can't get up, you're good. You're covered.
There's 2 sinks. There's a large jet tub. Okay, so as you can see, there is a large window, and this is a great view. We have a view of the pool. So if you get up a little bit later and you want to have a bath and you are a little worried about people outside, there are some buttons here. You hold down the bottom one and take a look.
Gotta love it.
And they hit the other one, just whoop. And then you can hit the top one to
Come back up. Oh, and they do both at the same time.
Yes.
Amazing.
And there's all kinds of amenities like mineral bath and shampoos and conditioners and soaps and shoe shine stuff and loofahs, all kinds of stuff.
Perfect. Nice Huge bathroom.
Oh, and I'm sure somewhere here there must be a hairdryer. Yes, there is. Aha. So this is a pretty powerful one, it looks like. I'm not sure whether it's a 16 or 1800, but it's looks pretty good.
Stiff. Check out the stiff in your bedroom.
And of course, like all Iberostars, I don't know why they do this. They do provide you with a weigh scale.
I'm gonna weigh myself right now, but this is the way we weigh ourselves.
Let's explore the balcony.
Oh, the best part.
I haven't been out here yet.
Oh.
Okay, so it seems like the lock system here is one of the sliding up and downs.
Is that the technical
Oh.
one?
Aha, down is unlocked. And then there's a screen door, so you can keep the bugs out but keep the door open if you want.
Amazing.
And I'm sure, like other resorts, as soon as you open the door, the air conditioning goes off. But there is a ceiling fan up here as well. Okay, let's come out. Oh, this is nice.
It is nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, so there's two chairs here, and behind Andrew is a sort of chaise. Now, the Iberostar in Jamaica has a swing, and unfortunately, this is a chaise, but it still looks really comfortable.
Super comfortable.
Yeah, but look at this view. This
Wow.
is amazing. The pool is right here. You can see the pool bar right there. The staff is amazing there. We've already had a couple drinks in the pool bar, as you might be able to tell. And I think that now we need to go back down to the pool bar and enjoy the rest of the afternoon that we're here.
Good call, my lady. Let's go.